really craved halwa.
Oh.
And my dad is here visiting, and he's making halwa for me before he leaves Bahrain. And before waiting, he already put the rogan in.
Rogan is oil.
So I'll tell you this, is that this is a very unhealthy dessert. What are the ingredients, Dad?
The ingredient...
No, just tell me the ingredients.
Nim bala rogan.
Ingredients, just how many ingredients? The three.
Three.
Which? Oil?
Oil. Art.
Art is what? Flour and sugar. That's all we need. And some cardamom.
Cardamom later on.
For flavor. Okay, go ahead.
So, هنا كم أرض أشياء عندكم؟
Oh boy, okay.
تقريبا بالدوزي نيم جلاس كمان زيادة.
Okay. So about half a cup of oil.
Let me see a couple bubble.
Waiting for the oil to bubble.
Yeah.
I like how I use my sugar dispenser for your flour.
I don't like this one here. This like the sugar.
He doesn't like the organic cane sugar. No. He likes regular white sugar, which I'm not a fan of.
Yeah, which is like much better. Yeah.
Well, sorry, Dad.
So
we're checking to see if it's hot enough. I guess it is bubbling. So is it ready now? Can we put the rest of the... we have a cup and a half of flour here that we're going to add slowly. This is the most unhealthiest dessert ever. This is why I do this once every 5 years. Oh, and some more oil. So. You've liked this since you were little, halwa? Since you were like a kid?
That was my favorite.
One of your favorite desserts.
Not dessert, it's like a main dish.
It's not a main dish.
In Afghanistan, yes.
It was a main dish? Halwa was a main dish? So you keep stirring. Until what? Until you see color?
Until a little bit take brown.
Okay, so you're waiting for it to turn a little bit color.
Brown, yeah. Brownish in the end.
And then what do you add?
Then I add water on it.
Water, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good. So I guess one good ingredient, which is the water. Alright, so we're seeing that the halwa is changing its color slowly. And there's many different types of halwa. The most common ones are either regular and soft, and then there's a crispy version which you just add less water. Alright, it's changing color even more so. Looks like a pumpkin
it's like
puree.
a light brown.
Alright, I'm getting anxious. So what's next?
Next is water.
You're gonna add it?
Of course, yeah.
Alright, next.
If you don't like that, it's going to be very crispy.
Yeah, this is going to be super crispy, which I don't like it super crispy. I like it a little bit more regular texture.
Add a little bit more water. You see the color?
Yeah, the color is beautiful.
Now you can add
the
sugar on it.
My cane sugar, you mean, not your regular white sugar. That's good. Do not add any more sugar, Dad. Or we're going to not.
Okay, because not
I have to go to the
enough sugar on it, then it's not
twice tomorrow.
Not gonna be
sweet.
Sweet, yeah. If it's not sweet, then just throw it away.
So Mom adds walnuts. Do you add walnuts too to it?
Oh yeah, you can do it if you
let's
want.
add walnuts.
Yes.
Oops. Alright, so the walnuts have been added. You can add, they can also add pecan if anybody wants pecan instead of walnuts. Any type of nuts will do. What about almonds? Have you seen almonds in halwa?
No.
No, okay, so you could be the first adding almonds. And we also have cardamom, that looks so good. Does cardamom go in now or after?
No, right now. Okay. You have to add it like...
Right before you close the lid. can you move it a little bit center? Thank you.
So, done.
We love
Good.
I love cardamom. I always add extra on in my tea. On anything that requires cardamom, I put
Okay.
extra.
Now we need like a stuff, something to put on.
Yeah. Smells so good.
Automation.
It looks good.